Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be changing a battery in our vintage Timex Ironman Triathlon watch. Let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be revitalizing my old Ironman Timex Ironman watch, the shock resistant. This is more sentimental value than anything to me. I've had this watch for several years. I'm going to attempt to replace the battery. I've done a couple other battery replacement watch videos as I mess around with watches a little bit. I'm by no means an expert at watches, but I do enjoy them and tend to make a few videos about it. So I'll link a couple up top, or one of them at least up top, of some vintage watches I've played with. First things first, I had to take out one of the band pieces so I could get to the back of this. This goes to this elastic piece. So while normally I can't access the back, that is why I did that. So it looks to me, and this needs cleaned up, it looks to me like there's 4 screws here that we're going to need to get out. So I've got a small screwdriver. Any small screwdriver you have, like for your eyeglasses or whatever, should work on this. But let's see if we can get in there. Now, if you do read the back, it does tell you what kind of battery you need. It need a CR 2016, which I did pick up at, I think I picked that up at Walmart, a pack of 2 for under $5. So I'm going to attempt to get these screws out. And if anybody wants to know, I think I got this screwdriver in a set of small screwdrivers from Home Depot. Probably like on a Black Friday sale or something. I think they come in a large kit that they had, pretty cheap, so I went ahead and picked up a set of those. I have about 1 million of these small screwdrivers, but this particular one, that's where I got them. All right, we do have the back off, and we can see the rubber is still intact right there. Just needs cleaned up a little bit. There is a screw here, and a screw here. 3 screws on mine. Now I'm going to need a little bit smaller screwdriver. Let me grab that real quick. Those are even smaller screws. Now this one I have from a multi-kit. That does say this size is 3 zeros, so that is tiny. So let's go ahead and unscrew those. I'm trying to remember when I bought this watch. My guess is sometime in the 90s, or maybe the early 2000s. It does have on the back that it's made in Philippines, and that, oh, that flew out. Be careful when you do that. Good thing I got plenty of tabletop here. Let me collect those. Anyway, it has the Timex website on the back, www.timex.com, so it can't be from the 80s. I'm pretty old, if that doesn't answer your question. Hey, here we go. There's the old battery. Hey guys, quick interruption. This video is sponsored by 3D Stash, 3dstash.com, the 3D printed marketplace, the best place to buy all your 3D printed goods. So go check them out, www.3dstash.com. Back to the video. All right, we got our new battery. 2016 battery. Now let's put this back in here. Okay guys, struggling with these tiny screws, so I am trying to pre-populate them in this cover. Alright, there we go. Now let's get this baby lined back up and try not to spill these. And see if we can get that back in there. All right, so far so good. Now let's get this positioned. There's one. There's 2. All right, so far so good, guys. And there's the 3rd one. All right, not too bad. Not too bad. Now you will notice, let me get this other one tightened. These little tabs are popped up and they will touch the back of that stainless steel case. Those are meant to, where this piece is meant to cover up the battery. So we're going to make sure we get that on there nice and even. We're going to put this back on. Oh, sorry. Put that upside down. We're going to put this one in. We're going to tighten down one side. We're going to get that one in. We're going to tighten down that side. We're going in a cross pattern. Get the ones diagonal to each other to try to help get this down a little more even. Let's get this one in. All right, I think we got it down good. But, oh no, oh, there we go. Okay. Looks like we're working. All right, so next, thanks for watching. We'll probably do another video on setting a time on this as soon as I figure it out, after we get it all cleaned up and looking good. But quick battery change, again, Timex Ironman watch. I'm trying to think, it's probably from sometime in the 90s. Late 90s maybe. I can't remember exactly when I bought this. And took a CR2016 battery. Pretty easy replacement. Tiny screws. May want to get some screwdrivers, or I'm sorry, you may want to get some tweezers to help make this a little better. But yeah, pretty easy. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Let us know how your battery change went. Leave a comment below. Probably do a few more of these videos to come. But hey, check out the other videos on the channel. Appreciate everything you guys do, all your watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time.